Hello guys, welcome back to more learning tutorial of creating e-commerce application in Android using Kotlin. So today we are going to implement drawer layout and drawer in our application. So we'll start from that. Let's go to our main activity, that is our home activity, home screen basically. In the home screen we will implement the drawer. For that we are going to need Android material view design and all. So first of all we have to implement that in your application. I'll put this code in the description. You can get it from there. This is basically an material library I'm going to use here. So the newer version is 1.1. We can just sync your project now. Okay, so we have synced that. Now go back to your main activity layout. So here we will replace this constant layout with the drawer layout. Okay, so let's start from implementing here as drawer layout. We'll have this. Just give it idea of as drawer layout, and so open drawer will be start from left, that is basically a start, and we'll say that fit system windows. For now, let's say just make it true, and we'll change that if we found that is needed. Now next we will implement the main layout is going to be there for our main activity. Whatever is we will use the fragments and all, but for now we are just going to add as a layout. We will create a blank layout for that later on. Let's say we are going to name this as home content. So as of now it's showing error, but we will create a layout for that and give the width as match parent and height as match parent as well. Now create a navigation view. We are not going to use bottom navigation as of now. We will create bottom navigation view, but that will be a custom navigation view, not this type of this. And width will be, let's say, wrap content, and height will be match parent. Let's say if it's system window, we say true here. We'll change that accordingly if we found any of that. And let's say we are going to provide a header layout as well. We will create a in the layout section. We will create that layout. For now we will call it as nav header layout slash nav header, and for menu we will also create a menu as well. In the menu, just name this as nav menu. So that's it. And one more thing we used to do, like layout gravity as well. Let's say layout gravity will be start. Now what we need to do is like create three layouts, two layouts and one menu options. Two layout, one is for home content, one is for nav header, and the menu for nav menu over here. So let's go back and create nav header first of all. So we have to go to your layout and create a new layout resource file, name it. So here we are ready with our nav header, an image view whose width will be wrap content well. Height will be wrap content. ID will be icon image view, and I'm going to say the src for this will be this one. Okay, so and the background for this, let's say this. Here give the title as well. This is going to be actually the information of the logged in user, but for now I'm keeping it as default as it is. Let's say I'm going to say this as dark gray, or maybe blue. Anyone can be chosen, or we can also say that this one as well. Give this, make it bold, some description text as well. Give it a text color. This. So we are done with. We need to create menu items. The resource, right click and just create a new directory as menu. Under that okay, so under that we will create menu resource file, which is nav underscore menu. Now inside that menu we are going to put some by default menu items. First we will create a default group which will have item, let's say profile. We are not going to give any icon for now, so the title will be profile. Now create another item, it will be address. Font setting. Under that we will create a menu, and under that there will be the item, different items. First item will be ID. ID will be like update profile something. We will create something for nav update. Give it a title as update profile. Create another item as nav sign out. Make it as name it as sign out. Go and create the main XML for where we are going to show everything. That is our home content layout. So go to your layout and create a new layout resource file which will be named as home content layout, and do this all time. Now we can implement the material bar layout and toolbar and all, but as of now we are not going to do any of that things. We'll do in the next part. We will create a toolbar and all. So as of now, just run this and let's check whether it's working or not.